Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Vivo Y20 off and removing the SIM tray. This avoids short circuits. Next, heat the back edge gently with a hair dryer or heat pad to soften adhesive. Once warm, position a suction cup near the bottom corner and lift slightly while sliding a plastic pick to separate the back cover. Work slowly and reheat areas that resist. Make sure to keep screws sorted and take a quick photo of the internal layout before proceeding. After removing the back cover, unscrew the mid-frame and lift any shielding plates. This exposes the connectors. You should disconnect the battery first to prevent accidental power flow, and then disconnect the display and digitizer flex cables. Note their positions. If the screen is shattered, apply more heat and use multiple picks to separate it from the chassis. Work from one corner and slowly cut through adhesive to avoid bending the frame. Keep track of different. You now align the new screen into the frame and reconnect the digitizer and display flex cables, then reconnect the battery so you can test. Power on and confirm touch responsiveness, display colors, proximity sensor, and front camera. If anything fails, power off and reseat connectors. Once tests pass, remove power, apply new adhesive strips around the chassis, seat the screen evenly, and reassemble mid-frame and back cover. Troubleshooting tip: if the screen shows flicker or no touch, recheck flex.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.